Today is July 24, 17 a.m. So, sumama ko. Tara, i-survive natin ng araw na to. Another day, another challenge, another to survive. See ya! Little update lang. Hindi ko kasi na-video eh. Tapos na ako kuminom ng 2 glass ng water. And then, nakapag-toothbrush na din ako. So, first challenge is mag-survive ang 2 glass na tubig. Kasi ewan ko ba? Parang, every morning, ay yung unang-unang challenge sa akin. Nahihirapan ako. Nanunukin sila. I mean, kaya ko sila nanunukin, pero pagkatapos ng isang glass ng water, parang yung mga bituka ko sa tiyan, nagigising mga ganun. So, I survived. Congrats self. So, see ya. Tingnan natin kung survive pa natin. Bye! I don't wanna waste my time.
Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna waste my time, no. Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no.
So, little update. Ayun nga, tapos ko na yung second challenge ko for today. Nakapag-stretching, not perfect stretching, pero a big step for me kasi di ako nag-stretching every morning. So, ayun, kapag stretching. And then, di ko masyado na video na maayos. Pero, see that, yung ganyan kadami. Yan yung mga to-do list ko ngayon sa work ko. So, this is my third challenge. Survive my to-do list. Matapos ko sila. Hoping. And then, let's see where this goes. See ya!
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better.
Hello. Little update lang. As of now, it's 10:41 a.m. And kakain muna ako. Ito, may mga natapos na naman ako sa to-do list ko. To-do list, kumbaga ba. So, ito yung breakfast ba? Breakfast naman ako. Pero nagugutom na kasi ako. Naka-early lunch. Gulay na may kanin. Tapos water. So, let's survive. Ilan pa ba kailangan ko ma-checkan pa dodores ko? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Tingnan natin kung matatapos ko siya today. See ya! Hi! So, this time is 12:14 in the lunch, afternoon. And it's break time. Ito ako, nag-aral mag-guitar. So, sampalan kita. Wait. Ayun na nga. Nakapag-practice tayo. So, hoping matapos ko na yung mga task ko. Homework. Nagpa-relax na tayo ngayon. Kasi, so yun. Update kita mamaya. Pagka-relax. Yeah.
From you, or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time.
Hi! So, little update. Right now is 7:16 p.m. And, like, wax. Hindi, may ginawa naman ako dito. Pero, hindi ko pa natatapos yung mga dudulot test ko. So, dalawa pa dito. I think, dalawa, tatlo. Let's try to continue tomorrow. Medyo sumasakit din kasi dito ko. O, kanina. Ano kaka-cellphone ko nga talaga. Ayun lang. Meron ako mga dandruff. Wala rin. Parang, sumisigaw na naman yung ano ko. Kita niyo ba yan? Parang, shimmery, shiny, splendid. Wala! Parang back mo, sis. Notin na bakit ang puting buhok? Parang I think pinanganak kita po notin. Sisigawan ka na eh. Sumisigaw ka na. Ala, haba na ng puting buhok ko, day. Sa puting buhok. Puting buhok yan. Puting buhok yan. Hindi kasi siya makati. Masakit siya. Tiis mo na tayo. Wala, yun na. Makati na. Biglang kumating. Ilan ako. My goodness. So, ayun lang. Tingnan natin by 9 kung makakapag-update pa tayo. See ya! Hello! What's up? So, little update lang tayo. At this moment is 11:54 p.m. And ma-update ko. Yep, nakapag-night routine. Nakapag-night routine. Nakapag-dinner with parents. Nakapag-hugas ng plato. Nakapag-half bath. Kasi hindi tayo nanigo today. Galing. And nakapag-night routine. Naglagay na ng moisturizer sa mukha. And yep, yun. Toothbrush ko baga. Ganun lang. Ganun na simple night routine natin. So, let's see kung magbabago siya in the following days. Pero I'm hoping na mag-improve tayo. So, ito na nga. Takoy na, ito. Siguro, nagkape kasi ako kaninang hapon. So, baka, yep. Let's see kung ano also masusulpas. May pasok pa talaga tayo. So, good night. Thank you for today. Yeah. Self-reflection ko pala today. I have this, baka may mumula. Self-reflection ko today. Yeah. Don't say you failed. Instead, you say to yourself, you are learning. We are learning each day. So, should be gentle. Pag may hindi tayo na-achieve na task, or natapos yun, or in the progress pa tayo, pag magmadali, it takes time, it may take sa time, pero darating din tayo sa finish line. Ganun lang. Perseverance. So, ciao. Have a good night. Sweet dreams yourself. See you tomorrow.